National Weather Service office in Cedar Rapids has issued a required weekly test of the emergency alert system. This system is tested every Wednesday between 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time and 12 p.m. Central Daylight Time. When an alert is issued like this test, IT will have information depending on the emergency. If severe weather is expected, the test will be postponed until the following Wednesday. This concludes the test issued by the National Weather Service. At the request of the Kentucky State Police, the Kentucky Emergency Alert System is activated to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. Kyra Shockley is a 12-year-old Caucasian female, 4 feet 8 inches tall, weighing 110 pounds, with blonde hair and hazel eyes. She wears black eyeglasses with pink diamonds on the side, and she has a scar on her left eye. Christopher Endicott is a 15-year-old Caucasian male, 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 250 pounds, with blonde hair and green eyes. He has a buzz haircut. He was last seen wearing blue jeans and a t-shirt with a dark-colored ball cap, and multiple silly bands on each wrist. A possible vehicle involved in their disappearance was a 1997 white Chevy LUM INA with Kentucky license plate number 843 GMM. Paint is peeling from the trunk and the hood of this vehicle. The trunk lock is knocked out, and one daytime running light is inoperable. If you have any information on the location of Kyra Shockley, or Christopher Endicott, or the white Chevy LUM INA, please call 1-800-262-3717. This concludes the Amber Alert issued by the Kentucky State Police. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Moody County Emergency Management. Due to significant damage that occurred in the town of Landreau, associated with the strong thunderstorms that moved through Moody County this afternoon, Emergency Management is advising no travel in the town of Landreau. Please do not enter the town of Landreau unless it is an emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Moody County Emergency Management. Due to significant damage that occurred in the town of Landreau, associated with the strong thunderstorms that moved through Moody County this afternoon, Emergency Management is advising no travel in the town of Landreau. Please do not enter the town of Landreau unless it is an emergency. The National Weather Service in Cedar Rapids has issued an excessive heat watch until 12 a.m. Sunday, July 3, 2011, for the following counties in Iowa: Benton, Buchanan, Cedar, Clinton, Delaware, Dubuque, Iowa, Jackson, Johnson, Jones, Keokuk, Lynn, Louisiana, MUS, CUT, Ione, Scott, Tama, Washington, and Illinois, Rock Island, and Whiteside. This includes the following locations: Iowa City, Coralville, Hills, Lone Tree, North Liberty, Oxford, Solon, Swisher, Tiffin, University Heights, Amana, Conroy, Holbrook, Marengo, Millersburg, Parnell, Victor, Williamsburg, Atkins, Norway, Watkins, Cedar Valley, Tipton, West Branch, Cedar Rapids, Fairfax, Lafayette, Lisbon, Lausea, Marion, Kelowna, Lincoln until 12 a.m. Sunday, July 3, 2011. Remember, an excessive heat watch means that extreme heat can happen in the time period given. If that happens, a warning will be issued followed by precautions needed to stay safe. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisville Metro Police Department. This is the NOAA All Hazards radio system broadcasting from facilities located in Louisville, Kentucky. The Louisville Metro Police Department is issuing a hazardous materials warning for portions of Jefferson County, Kentucky. Warning at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. There has been an accident involving potentially dangerous chemicals in the western portion of the county. Only persons living in the area around 4400 Bells Lane, and for points within a mile east and northeast of that region, need to seek shelter indoors immediately. Close all windows and doors, block out all outside air, turn off any air conditioners, and bring in your pets. Turn on your television or radio for more detailed information. Do not call 911 unless you need to report an emergency. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Lincoln County and southwest Minnesota, northern Pipestone County and southwest Minnesota, northeastern Moody County and east central South Dakota until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Flandreau, or 16 miles west of Pipestone, and moving east at 45 mph. This tornadic storm will be near Ward around 3:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Holland around 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Precautionary/preparedness actions: take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes, and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Moody County Emergency Management. Due to significant damage that occurred in the town of Flandreau, associated with the strong thunderstorms that moved through Moody County this afternoon, Emergency Management is advising no travel in the town of Flandreau. Please do not enter the town of Flandreau unless it is an emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Moody County Emergency Management. Due to significant damage that occurred in the town of Flandreau, associated with the strong thunderstorms that moved through Moody County this afternoon, Emergency Management is advising no travel in the town of Flandreau. Please do not enter the town of Flandreau unless it is an emergency.